the last thing that I have to show you is the chat. This is the one of the most important parts of this app. I have two channels right now. I can search through my conversations. I can open a conversation and all the messages will be loaded, paginated. Pagination means that I load, I don't know, 20 messages at first. If I scroll up, more messages will be loaded. You can see the loading spinner. If I go up, more messages will be loaded, and so on until I get to the first message. As you can see, we can send photos. If I click on a photo, a bigger pop-up will be displayed to be easy to see the photo. We can send videos. Click on a video. Same approach was done to display the video on a bigger screen with autoplay. And this is just a normal player. You can play with the video as you want. We have the translations. As you can see, this message is translated. Right now is written in Spanish. You have a tooltip which show original message. If you click on this one, you will see the original message. In this case, in English. We have a lot of messages, a lot of there's messages. The approach that has been done for translation is that only the incoming messages have this option, because actually what I'm sending, I already understand what language is this one. We can do another test for uploading a photo. A loading spinner will be displayed until the photo is uploaded on the server, and then it will be displayed here on the chat. We can click on it and see the bigger pop-up with the image. Same thing happens also with the video. We have the loading spinner until the video is uploaded on the server, and the video was uploaded here. I can send another message from the demo. If I don't want to click here, I also implemented the send message on enter, and you can see the message was already translated for me. And sent to the buyer.
Super.
We started also the super admin, but it's just in under development. I can show you some screens if you want, but it's just with my test data, which doesn't look very good. But I will show this to you. Okay. This is the account. We kept the same will be removed because super admin doesn't need them. We will have the accounts list with the paginated table. Right now, you will be able to change the items per page. We will have the users and account, basically a lot of lists and some orders. As I said, these data is just my test data.